Hello, so today let's go over your assignment. Again, you're still dividing decimals. "24 divided by 4. This number is known as the dividend. And the reason why it's the dividend is because it is a number to be divided by another number. When you set it up in the traditional long division way, your divisor is always on the outside and your dividend is always on the inside of the bracket. And any answer to a division problem is known as a quotient. So 10.8 divided by 6. Always ask yourself which number goes inside the bracket and why. The first number goes inside the bracket because it is first. So the most important step to remember is we bring up that decimal. 6 goes into 10 once without going over. 6 times 1 gives us 6. Let's subtract. Bring down your 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Our quotient is 1.8. Okay, so let's look at problem number 2. 5.22 divided by 3. Which number goes inside the bracket and why? The first number does. Our next and most important step is bringing up our decimal. 3 goes into 5 once without going over. 5 minus 3 gives us 2. Bring down our 2. 3 goes into 22 7 times without going over. 22 minus 21 gives us 1. Then we have to bring down our 2. 3 goes into 12 4 times. So our answer is 1 74/100. Let's look at our problem number 3. We will set it up. 151.90 divided by 5. Go ahead, we'll bring up our decimal. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Let's bring down our 1. 5 goes into 1 0 times. Bring down our 9. 5 goes into 19 3 times. Bring down our 0. 5 goes into 40 8 times. So our answer is 30.38. Let's look at the next problem, which is a word problem. Lisa calculated that she paid $810.24 towards her cell phone bill last year. How much money did she pay each month if her cell phone bill was the same amount every month? Well, the first thing that you have to think about is how many months are in a year. There are 12 months in 1 year. So we're told that she paid a total of $810.24. So this is my problem. $810.24 divided by 12. So we can set this problem up to prepare to divide. 810.24 divided by 12. Okay, so 12 goes into 81 how many times? Well, I think I'm going to actually try 7. I know 12 times 5 is 60. So let's see if 12 times 7 works. Nope, that's 84. which is higher than 81. So it's going to have to be 12 times 6, which is going to give me 72. (11 minus 2 gives me 9. Go ahead and bring down my 0. Well, 12 times 7 I already figured out is 84, so that's going to be just fine. 12 times 7 I know is 84. 90 minus 84 gives me 6. I need to bring down my 2, and I almost forgot the most important step, bringing up that decimal. 12 times 5 I know is 60, so I will use 5. And then I need to bring down my 4, and 12 times 2 gives me 24. So Lisa paid $67.52 per month. Let's look at the next problem. The next problem says a bowling package costs $24.64 and allows the buyer to play 8 games in the alley. How much does one game cost if Quinn buys the package? Highlight the correct answer. Well, I know her total cost is $24.64. And the question is asking me to determine how much each game costs if she plays 8 games. So we go through our steps. 8 goes into 24 3 times. We bring down our 6. 8 does not go into 6, so I put a 0. 8 goes into 64 8 times. So I know that each game costs Quinn $3.08, which is option C.